welcome back to my makeup channel, and it's been a hot minute, if I may say so. I think I haven't been behind the camera in close to 2 years or so. I think during this quarantine time, I'm gonna have a lot of time where I'll be back to posting videos. Maybe not weekly, maybe it'd be like maybe every other day, or I don't know, I still haven't figured it out. I hope you all have been doing great and are staying safe and taking the necessary precautions for this coronavirus. If you want to know how I got this look, just keep watching. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me quarantine time makeup tutorial. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on my social media. Stay safe, guys, and I'll see you all on my next makeup tutorial. Bye-bye.